English conversation in school. Daily school talk. English speaking practice Ali. A student Sarah. A classmate Ali. Hi Sarah, did you finish the homework for math? Hi Sarah, did you finish the homework for math? Sarah, yes I did, it was a little difficult. Yes I did, it was a little difficult. Ali, yeah, question number 5 was really tricky. Yeah, question number 5 was really tricky. Sarah, I asked my brother to help me with that one. I asked my brother to help me with that one. Ali, good idea. I should have done the same. Good idea. I should have done the same. Sarah, are you ready for the science test today? Are you ready for the science test today? Ali, not really. I studied, but I still feel nervous. Not really. I studied, but I still feel nervous. Sarah, don't worry, you'll do fine. Just stay calm. Don't worry, you'll do fine. Just stay calm. Ali, thanks, Sarah. You're always so helpful. Thanks, Sarah. You're always so helpful. Sarah, no problem. Let's go, the teacher is coming. No problem. Let's go, the teacher is coming. In the classroom, Ayan, a student. Mehak, a classmate. Mehak, Ayan, can you lend me a pencil? Ayan, can you lend me a pencil? Ayan, sure, here you go. Sure, here you go. Mehak, thanks. I forgot my pencil case at home. Thanks. I forgot my pencil case at home. Ayan, no problem. We all forget sometimes. No problem. We all forget sometimes. Teacher, okay, class, open your books to page 22. Okay, class, open your books to page 22. During lunch break, Usman, a student. Fatima, a classmate. Usman, what did you bring for lunch today? What did you bring for lunch today? Fatima, I have a sandwich and some fruit. What about you? I have a sandwich and some fruit. What about you? Usman, I brought rice and chicken. My mom cooked it. I brought rice and chicken. My mom cooked it. Fatima, that sounds delicious. That sounds delicious. Usman, do you want to try a bite? Do you want to try a bite? Fatima, sure, thanks. Sure, thanks. At the library, Zara, a student. Hassan, a classmate. Hassan, Zara, do you know where the English books are? Zara, do you know where the English books are? Zara, yes, they're in the second row, near the window. Yes, they're in the second row, near the window. Hassan, thanks. I want to find a good storybook. Thanks. I want to find a good storybook. Zara, try Charlotte's Web. It's really good. Try Charlotte's Web. It's really good. Hassan, okay, I'll look for it. Okay, I'll look for it. During sports period, Hamza, a student. Sana, a classmate. Sana, Hamza, do you want to play football with us? Hamza, do you want to play football with us? Hamza, sure. Let me just tie my shoes first. Sure. Let me just tie my shoes first. Sana, we need one more player for our team. We need one more player for our team. Hamza, okay, I'll join your team. Okay, I'll join your team. Sana, great. Let's start the match. Great. Let's start the match. Talking to the principal, Imran. A student principal, Sir Khalid Imran. Good morning, Sir Khalid. Good morning, Sir Khalid. Principal. Good morning, Imran. What brings you here? Good morning, Imran. What brings you here? Imran. Sir, I lost my ID card. Can I get a new one? Sir, I lost my ID card. Can I get a new one? Principal. Yes, you need to fill out a request form. Yes, you need to fill out a request form. Imran. Okay, sir, I will do that right away. Okay, sir, I will do that right away. First day of school. Sarah, new student. Ali, classmate. Sarah, hi, is this class? 6, hi, is this class? 6. Ali, yes, you are in the right place. Yes, you are in the right place. Sarah, thank you, I am new here. Thank you, I am new here. Ali, welcome. I will help you with everything. Welcome, I will help you with everything. Sarah, that is very kind of you. That is very kind of you. Holiday homework discussion. Kashan, student Rabia, classmate Kashan. Did you finish the holiday homework? Did you finish the holiday homework? Rabia. Yes, I completed it last night. Yes, I completed it last night. Kashan, I still have to do the science part. I still have to do the science part. Rabia. I can share my notes if you want. I can share my notes if you want, Kashan. That would be great. Thank you. That would be great. Thank you. Results day. Adil. Student Hira. Friend. Hira. Did you check your results? Did you check your results? Adil. Yes. I passed in all subjects. Yes. I passed in all subjects. Hira, congratulations. I am so happy for you. Congratulations, I am so happy for you. Adil, thanks. What about your result? Thanks. What about your result, Hira? I got highest marks in maths. I got highest marks in maths. Friendship in school. Munib. Student Sarah. Classmate. Munib Sarah. Do you want to be friends? Sarah, do you want to be friends? Sarah. Of course I would love to be your friend. Of course I would love to be your friend. Munib. Great, we can study together. Great. We can study together. Sarah. That sounds fun. I always need help with maths. That sounds fun. I always need help with maths. Munib. Don't worry, I will help you. Don't worry, I will help you. Assembly time. Sana. Student Tariq. Classmate Sana Tariq. Do you know the time for the assembly today? Tariq. Do you know the time for the assembly today? Tariq. Yes, it starts in 15 minutes. Yes, it starts in 15 minutes. Sana. Okay, I need to hurry up. Okay, I need to hurry up. Tariq, don't worry. We still have some time. Don't worry. We still have some time. Sana. Let's meet near the main gate. Let's meet near the main gate. Classroom punishment. Hassan. Student Rashid. Teacher. Hassan. Sir, I am sorry for being late today. Sir, I am sorry for being late today. Rashid Hassan. This is the second time this week. Hassan. This is the second time this week. Hassan. I promise it won't happen again. I promise it won't happen again, Rashid. You will stay after school for 15 minutes today. You will stay after school for 15 minutes today. Hassan, I understand, sir. I understand, sir. Sports day. Excitement characters. Zoya. student Hamza, classmate Zoya. Hamza, are you excited for sports day? Hamza, are you excited for sports day? Hamza, yes, I am running in the 100-meter race. Yes, I am running in the 100-meter race, Zoya. That is amazing. I will be cheering for you. That is amazing. I will be cheering for you. Hamza, thanks are you in any event. Thanks are you in any event. Zoya, yes, I am in the tug-of-war team. Yes, I am in the tug-of-war team. Holiday. Planning Iqbal, student Manur, classmate Iqbal. What are your plans for the winter holidays? What are your plans for the winter holidays? Manur, we are going to visit our grandparents. We are going to visit our grandparents. Iqbal, that sounds nice. I will stay home and read books. That sounds nice. I will stay home and read books, Mahnur. That is peaceful. You love reading. That is peaceful. You love reading, Iqbal. Yes, I do. Books are my best friends. Yes, I do. Books are my best friends. Group project discussion Asim, student Liba. Group member Asim, Liba. Did you finish your part of the group project? Liba, did you finish your part of the group project, Liba? Yes, I made the presentation slides. Yes, I made the presentation slides. Asim, great. I wrote the report last night. Great. I wrote the report last night, Liba. Now we just need to practice together. Now we just need to practice together. Asim, let's meet during lunch break. Let's meet during lunch break. Parents-teacher meeting. Nida, student Ahmad, friend Nida. My parents are coming to the meeting today. My parents are coming to the meeting today. Ahmad, are you nervous about what the teacher will say? Are you nervous about what the teacher will say? Nida, a little. I hope everything is fine. A little. I hope everything is fine. Ahmad, you always study well, it will be good. You always study well, it will be good, Nida. Thanks, I feel better now. Thanks, I feel better now. New timetable, Bilal, student Farah, classmate Bilal. Did you see the new class timetable? Did you see the new class timetable, Farah? Yes, we have maths first period now. Yes, we have maths first period now. Bilal, I like starting the day with maths. I like starting the day with maths, Farah. I wish we had English first. I wish we had English first, Bilal. English is after lunch now. English is after lunch now.
These conversations daily for better English. Your confidence will grow with each practice.
So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more English learning tips. See you in the next video.